Bafethu, yabona, when you talk about a defender that improves each and every game, Liboni Siema is that guy, Bafethu. Totally deserved the Man of the Match award for your Orlando Pirates namhlanje, Bafethu. This guy is a top defender, man. I mean, the nice thing about Abu Liboni Siema, Bafethu, the guy can defend and he can also play from the back. Once you have a defender like that, Bafethu, you've got a full package, because modern day football, I found I'm a defender, abakwazi ukudefenda kuphela. You need to know how to pass the ball from the back. And Liboni Siema is so comfortable in that aspect, Bafethu. Nomchita, I think Coach Abdeslam Wadu, Bafethu, makabhale ilineup yakhe. Liboni Siema is part of the top guys abakhona kuleyo list, Bafethu. What a central defender. The nice thing, Bafethu, is umadala uvayile, Bafethu. There's a new coach, kuBafana Bafana, coach Peter Musimani. Hopefully he can pick a guy like Liboni Siema, because last season Bafethu Mchita uze wawina i-defender of the season, but he couldn't get that call up for iBafana Bafana. No more some selectanga 23-man squad. At least let him make that preliminary squad so he can see now he's working towards something. As much as he's playing for a big club, but every player wants to play for his national team, and hopefully this time around, Uliboni Siema will be included in that Bafana Bafana squad that is going to be called up ngasikudala, Bafethu, for the AFCON qualifiers. What a top defender, Bafethu. Salute.
Alright, Orlando Pirates isivele yavulela induku lapha kubulawa iChippa United, rightfully so. Ibingekho yenze njani bekufanele bashawe labantu. Futhi ayikho into emangaza ngabe into yenzekela. Into ebesivele silindele on paper that the Pirates will win the game. But first half ayikho lento besiyibukela. Ayikho. The rotation of the ball was not nice. Abantu bamisa amasitha ayikhona. I expected a bit more, especially after the way Coach Abdeslam spoke in the media. Ngama players they need to show ukuthi bafeel to see champions. But fortunately enough for Orlando Pirates, in the second half back home is Bafana so malume kakhulu. You know, even though amanye ama goals angene because of our mistakes were cheaper, but those mistakes don't happen if the likes of Msendami don't press the ball. The Pirates approached this game with a double 8, bengekho 6, maybe because of the injuries. Umbatha and Nduli, they are gone. They were playing a double 8 and a 10. Makobori had a brilliant game. The way he was stepping up, the interceptions, the passes, the rotation of the ball, especially in the second half, phenomenal performance by him. Utansin, he's really growing into his role. Orlando Pirates, the coach is trusting him with the minutes. What I liked though with the game Pirates was the right hand side. His side like a right, ilona ebel pila kakhulu. La kudlala khona uLungu no Sibelebele. Usibelebele being a right back, uLungu being a right winger. Oh my goodness, that combination ngathi zobulala abantu abaningi, because if uLungu ekhatha inside uSibelebele ushaya imoto, if uSibelebele relaxa uLungu ushaya imoto, so you end up not knowing for sure who to stop, and uLungu got a well-deserved goal. Yeah, save Pirate Lumchit. Ngoba Durban City was the one that scored that last-minute goal. Shout out to Pirates for getting maximum points, and now they are back on top of the Betway Premiership table. Sazoba mnandi kakhulu.
Cheaper Pethu. Cheaper.
Alehlezi complain.
Yini lento bafethu? Yini lento? Yini? What is that? What was that? What was that? First half ngidlale kahle. First half played so well. Netomnitsa never mincisa, dog. Second half, I don't know. Yini lento beniyenza achipa mfethu? Shiya ukudliwa. Fine. Ngabe ngidliwe, it's okay. It's okay ukudliwa, vele it's a big club lemendlala nayo. Pirates, fine. What was that second half, bro? What yini lento beniyenza achipa, bro? Come on, bro. Come on. Dog, you guys been babambile, dog. Ben babambile. Benina. Second half. Angas. Hey, bro. Come on, bro. It's okay, though. It's okay. It's fine. But cheaper.
I knew Pirates were going to win that match. Ask me how. I saw Dion Otto in the starting lineup. Then I knew I straight win Pirates. Because the last few games the Pirates have been... Otto, if I'm not mistaken, hasn't started them. He's come off the bench. So when he started this, and I was like, 3 points full. Orlando Pirates are going to collect. Not even 3 points. Now they're even on top of the log. Defending champions go back to first. It's their place, belongs to them. Yo, I'm in trouble, most straight. Brandon Truter, you need to make some hard decisions in some departments. Sorry. Starting off with the goalkeeping department. Changes need to be made there. Defensively, first half it was okay. But they started getting uncomfortable at times when they were on the ball. The second half, you saw. Once they got tired, those mistakes came out to play. Hey, Pirates, my God. And Pirates, I must applaud one person from Pirates. Siema. That guy's match reading is next level. Straight out of guy. The way he reads a game. The way he times everything. The tackles, when to get back, when to clear the ball, when to take an extra touch. Smart play. He even added a goal on top of everything today. Hey. Yeah, ne? Pirates go back to first. Are we going to slip that first position again, Namakos? I don't know. We'll wait and see what develops. But it was nice to see Chippa United fast start. Set here. First few minutes on Pirates. Set here. On your marks football, Chippa United. But then obviously as things went on, Pirates grew more into the game. Now I wonder, Chippa United, I wonder. Do we give Brandon Truter a few more games? I think so. It's too, you don't want to, because you know Chippa, you coach 3 games and you're gone. So, and Chippa now, whippy, twacked. And I'm sure the Chippa are looking to ex the coach. I say not yet. Give Brandon Truter a few more games, because first up they were decent. Up until the 60th minute mark, let me say, they were okay. But then once Pirates scored the first goal, floodgates opened. Floodgates opened. Yeah, we're in trouble now again. Here we go.
Diske ndakhalela ucula gospel ngoku ndiyo record e-studio ngoku ndithi abanye badlala i-draw, abanye bayehla kwi-league, abanye bayanyuka. Ndimile apha kwi-Betway Premiership, ibhakani yangu number 1 again. We are very excited. Ake ndivonela umakhi sibaxelela uba i-temporal le nto yabo ukuba number 1 kahle into yethu le. Hey i-Chiefs ngoku izoba ingozi ingukuphi kona. Hello sisi, cela ubuza office ze-Kaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh, okay, good. Yes, uthela noTumelo Trom. Yes, i-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president yabalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. We are very excited. Orlando Pirates is doing extra large, extraordinary, extravaganza, extra hot. Sorry? No, sisi. Andizazonikhayisela ngento zowasaze sabethi iChippa United kwaze kwacima kwathini. Bendizothi nje mina nichekisha iloko. Nigqibele nini uchekisha uloko? Ndishuba kaloku phela beningu number 1 sanixelela uba hayi lento yenu temporal, then ndabona uba ingathi ikhona ukuphikisana okukhona, so ngicela ubuza uba nigqibele nini ukuchekisha. Usekhona uthofile. We are very excited. Yo, sibaxelela uba ngu-view once lento yabo.
The most prolific striker, Sir Orlando Pirates, continues to search for his first league goal sale season after missing yet another sitter namhlanje in a 3-0 win against Chippa United. Sanbona, I hope unaphila usolwazi igama. Give me Hoto, I'll give you a win any day. It was not a smooth first half. Yeah, it was not a smooth first half for the Buccaneers. And for me, it looked like Coach Wadu wanted to change his style of play a little bit, right? He wanted to be calm, he wanted to be patient, he wanted to keep possession, and he wanted the boys to, I don't know if it was them, but they were spending too much on the ball, right? He wanted to play like a possession-based team, and also it didn't help that Chippa United was sitting back. But the thing is, if you want to change your style of play and be more possession-based, you have to have the personnel to give you that. And when you look at the passing accuracy in the first half, as much as Orlando Pirates had possession, the passing accuracy for me was a huge issue. If you want to play that kind of football, you want to have the likes of Ama profiles, Afana Nosipho Mbule or Kabelo Dlamini, to give you that hold up and control in the middle of the park. And so in the first half, Orlando Pirates were just losing possession in the middle. I want to mention the likes of Foma Koboti. Their passing accuracy was very questionable in the first half, right? So it was not an easy game for them in the first half. And then in the second half, I think Orlando Pirates, they started playing more their game. And for me, I don't think Usain Bolt was an issue to begin with. For me, Orlando Pirates is a team that plays in transition and is very explosive, and then they're an attacking team. And Usain Bolt is what made them unpredictable in the season as Pumakyon. And that is the difference between the first and the second half. In the first half, they were too predictable for my liking. They were too predictable when they went to the left and on the right. I don't think Ulungu gives anything on the wing. I'm so sorry. Of course, he scored a brilliant goal. I just don't feel him as a winger. I don't know. In the past 2 games, including Leon Mhlanje, where he started as a winger, I don't think he gave much. And also, Sibelebele didn't really have a good game, so it was very difficult for Orlando Pirates to, attack from the right side. And in the second half, the difference for me was that they started moving the ball a little bit quicker and picked up Ipesiabo, a brilliant goal by Ulungu, and then they scored from a header who said Yasiema, and then that's when they started playing a bit faster and had more intensity in the second half. And then we saw some introductions of substitutions with a brilliant pressing from Sendami, who was able to score his first goal is it his first goal at Orlando Pirates? Yeah, I think he scored the first goal with pre-season, but this is his first goal with the Orlando Pirates. I stand to be corrected. But yeah, that was brilliant from his side. Who do I want to comment on? I do not want to comment on the striker. I think Usiema was exceptional. I think Ubodlela was, exceptional as well. They were too solid at the back, even in moments where Chippa was trying to break from the likes of Figueiredo. I think Usiema took care of him cleanly. Usebelebele didn't really have a good game. I saw glimpses from Umasilela and he was amazing. With Odansini, you can see glimpses of lack of experience in his game. As much as he's a very technically gifted player, you want to pair him with an experienced midfielder who's also a hybrid to help him to execute some of his primary roles as a central midfielder, right? As much as he's a great player, you can see a lack of experience. I think that's why he played better last time, because Unduli is an experienced player. But now when you pair him with Makoboti, whom I thought was losing possession cheaply a lot, in this game, it becomes difficult for him to fully execute ama roles. I think Olokuza Utito came through for the team Namhlanje. And yeah, it wasn't an easy one. The substitutions, not much from José for me. I think Apolisi and Uhoto was the glue that was needed in attack. Yaga left, even though Apolis was drifting in, but Namhlanje, he really showed up from the left side. Was unlucky not to score a goal. Let me know what you thought about the game, Leah Namhlanje.
I'm still asking myself, how did Hugo Broos not pick this guy? Usale kanjani defender of the season, because Sayag World Cup, it was clear ukuthi defender of the season was Libone CM. It was very clear. Kodwa still akafika ku World Cup. Njengamanje he just dropped another masterclass in Orlando Pirates, proving why he was the defender of the season last season, and he might go back to back ngendlela performa ngayo. If eqhubana lama performances Fethu, this guy knows ama surroundings akhe. Akayisabe enye indoda, uyafika uzomaka. Uzofika mfethu akuphoca ibhola enyaweni. Like he's aware of his surroundings. Angikhuluma ngisho nangegoal mfethu, irazi beautiful goal mfethu, ama defender vele siyazi ukuthi like kwamakhona it's their time to shine. Ama header mela sebenze. But yena off the ball as well, uyambona mfethu eyomakisa team, uyambona tracking back, uyambona attacking the team. Like lebona CM mfethu is a complete defender. For me, I feel like he was robbed in moment yakhe ku World Cup. Hopefully lokho ngeke umbuyisele move, and busa kumbuyisele move yambona ukuthi usa perform usaqhubeka nomsebenzi omuhle. Lebona CM what a defender esinalo la South Africa.
Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Last week I spoke about uLungu, ngasho ukuthi ke umjida kumele simenze istriker seOrlando Pirates, siyathanda asithandi. The boy is totally aware uma ke eseboxini into akumela ayenze. Mephethe ibhola akacabanga ukuphasa, akacabanga ubuyele emuva phasela omunye umdlalo, ucabanga ukuthi ke akhahlele epali. Nibonile into ayenze namhlanje, nilibonile futhi ke igoli elihle alikorile namhlanje ngosikhathi ke iOrlando Pirates ithola igoli lokuqala against iChippa United. Yabo, so lento yakho umdlalisa far wide ayibenzi ubulungiswa kakhulu, asimboni kakhulu uLungu, sidinga ukumbona lapha phambili because uma ke qhathaka ibhola eboxini uyazi kumele enze njani. Yabo, amanye ke sebengasho ukuthi ke Vane uqonda ukuthini, sinaso striker guys, sinaso striker, sinaso istriker uMbuthuma, sinaso striker uMbuthuma, sinaso istriker uMbuthuma. But kuba khona kwaMbuthuma, do you think uzosifakela amagoli phambili? Kuzosifakela yini amagoli phambili if sinomdlali obekade yistriker kwiswelele ekora amagoli kwiswelele kodwa ke edlaliswa kwiposition as a winger? Yabo ngabeke siyamthatha siba brave simfake phambili, yabo asinikeze amagoli, simple.
So humans, once again, Libone Siema. Another masterclass, right? I had to make a separate video for him, right? If I'm about to compliment him, I can't mix him with anyone, right? It has to be separate. I came out here, I think a few weeks ago, to say that I don't remember any bad game from this guy, right? When I told people about him, they told me, but he has mistakes here and there. He has mistakes here and there. I cannot see them. Another masterclass dropped by this guy. Give me a defender in the Betway Premiership who makes more box entries than Usiema. Give me a defender who contributes more than him in attack. Give me a defender who wins possession faster than him in the Betway Prem. Right? In fact, Yabona Usiema, if he can be serious about this thing, Siema can be a midfielder. Siema can be a winger because he sort of has that balance in attacking and defensive abilities. Oh, fun fact. Did you know that Siema this season has more goals than Umbuthuma? Oh, sorry. That was just a side joke. Yeah, but Siema, man, what a player. What a player. He keeps impressing me each game. He keeps impressing me and he keeps dropping those 10 out of 10s. In fact, listen, give him another Defender of the Season award right now while Abo Johannes are still sleeping. His mates. Give him another one now.
Okay, bafethu, and that's it for video namhlanje. Orlando Pirates versus Chippa United. Ngicela comment and subscribe as usual, bafethu, and don't skip on my ads, okay? And all I can say bafethu about the game namhlanje mina ukuthi first half I was so bored. I was like, oh my god, here we go again. Sisters are complaining about the game, like coach this and that, but second half I was really impressed. And you don't I feel like Umukobudi ucoach Yamtemba Umukobudi, he trusts him because we have our players like Abu Slep, Abu Mtiane who are playing ahead, or Umukobudi is playing ahead of those players, and Lapotina smiles because as I'm a fans, but the coach Yamtemba and yamdlalisa mfethu lokho nje akhona umkobudi angikhumbule imisa igame kuPirates yabo, so kusho ucoach Yamtemba. But from me I would still like to see more. Yabona, yeah, sure, yena mfethu namhlanje mfethu second half ngasho ukuthi udlale kahle, but I still want to see more mfethu. I still want to see more control mfethu. Just like in fact I miss Nemtajela, bro. You guys don't understand, bro. I miss Masindi Nemtajela, bro. I know a lot of you guys nangamthanda uNemtajela, but I've always been a fan of uNemtajela. The time Nimbesha, I've always been a fan of Nemtajela, and right now I feel like we need him like in right now. We need a player like Nemtajela, someone who can play with dancing, because I feel like there's some kind of push it's nigga to dancing because you wadlala amagame yawaqeda and things like that. But I want to see more from Umukobudi, and once again Mapethu Tito proves again he's the most important player lapha eTimini. Okay, other than Siema, but Tito bafethu, you can't have a starting 11 Pirates right now without Tito, because if you drop Tito, then means ukuthi kumele ufake uMasilela lapha in the 10 position, and I haven't seen much from uMasilela. Mhlampe uDion Mlungu mekabuya, he might do something, but we haven't seen much from Mlungu now since afika Pirates. So right now Tito is the only number 10 esinayo, and namhlanje futhi udropping assist in fact any performance from me, and shout out to Tito bafethu. And the overall nje bafethu, I'm happy about 3 points. If Mbuthuma took those 20s against Amazulu, ngabe sine 9 points clear, bro. Not 9 points clear, but ngabe sihleli number 9 ku 9 points. Cruising like by the top, by the cave of it happened, and not complaining. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and commenting.